are you doing?
I'm just trying to give you a hug. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This week's shout out goes to Unicorn Slime Never Squishy, Bijana NT, Jamana Dawas, Faisal Abdin, Crafty Girl, Khadija Mia, Isabel Priscilla, and Fatman Says. Well done guys for leaving some lovely messages. To get a shout out in my next video, please comment down below the word #unicorn. Today, Mian and I will be opening LOL, UNDERWRAPS Surprise Series 4 and LOL Little Sisters.
Wow! These look bigger than the LOL Little Sisters.
That's because this one has 15 surprises. This is all new surprise experience. So let's get on to unboxing these LOL. First we are going to unzip these right here.
Wow, I got a magnifying glass.
There it is. There's my magnifying glass.
So always magnify the glass. First, magnify glasses are first.
The magnifying glass is the first thing you will find when you first unwrap it. So what you use for these are the secret messages on the wrappings, and it might give you clues.
They've got glasses with a moustache.
I can see a magnifying glass. So what you use the magnifying glasses for is the speech bubbles that you can see. You put the magnifying glasses over them and there's a secret message on them. So my one says,
out.
let's see. Yeah, it still works on other LOLs. Yours says I want out. Mine says I want out. The next layer. It says yeah.
Surprise.
We have got our clues. That's your clue. Now that we have got our clues, we are going to read with our magnifying glasses what they are. So mine is under, an arrow facing down, and water with a fish. So mine basically means, I think, under the sea.
Mine is at a garden party.
Ooh.
Open it! Yay!
I can't wait.
I got blue, her favorite colour, and she has my colour.
Perfect for colour.
Well, she likes pink too.
Not really anything. Me and my cousin used to fire pink. Anything pink.
My pink crew.
There we are. Ooh, I've got my codes. And here, this tells you what you've got, but I'm not going to look at it.
Whoa, I can see the yellow, but how do you even get in it?
There's
It's
codes
not.
for it.
Which combination opens the capsule?
Well, you need to find each code to open the capsule.
Hey, let's open it.
My first code says crown and diamond. So I'm going to find out on each code breaker. Nope. I found crown. Diamond. No. Let's see if it's here.
Wait, there's got surprises in there too.
Yeah. Diamond. No.
I mean, in that one.
I found it.
Okay. Can you do mine?
Now. What's your first one? Anai's first one is crown and diamond as well. Crown, diamond. Nope. Nope. Is it for this one? No. Then it should be for her big part. There you are.
In my capsule, I got this and this and this and this.
My next code is peace sign and a heart.
Smell it. Smells yucky.
Smells weird. Wait, what was it? It's peace sign and heart. Peace, heart. Nope.
Nope.
Peace, heart. No. It's like nothing's working today.
Maybe there's no internet.
Internet? There's no internet for these. I've got it.
You got like a purpley color, and I like have a pink.
I got this purple mermaid costume thingy. I've got 2 blind bags.
I
This
can
one
already
feels
see her
empty.
arm. I can already see her
got-
arm.
You can see her arm. I have got the thing that tells you what doll you've got. And this is to use to make a little handbag. Now we are going to open all of our blind bags out. I'm going to start with this flat one. I don't know why. I feel like there's something inside. Is there anything? I can feel something. Oh, I got a bracelet. A little golden bracelet.
I got a little bottle. Look at this little bottle. You can actually press
Oh,
it.
this is nice.
You can actually press it too.
I'm gonna open this one next. What did I get? Ooh, for a second I thought it was a jumpsuit. Look, I've got this. It has a crown on the top and pink and black leopard skinned shorts. Now I'm gonna open this big one. I got a pink and black squiggly thing cap.
Oh, I'm not sure.
It's so cute. Oh, pretty pink. I've got 2 more surprises left.
I've got 2 more left. Look at these little shoes.
Oh, those are cute. They're like cute. They're like little pom-pom slippers.
Okay.
Beautiful. Oh no. Oh, I got these little white and black shoes. They're cute.
Look at this dress.
Oh, that's nice.
That's actually very
My last one, which should be the bottle.
obviously.
Yes. Oops, I dropped the bottle. Got it. This is cute. It's like a little coffee bottle or something like that. It says pop. Maybe it's like a popping coffee.
Let's see what it is.
It's a thing.
Oh, look at these little sunglasses. Baby, I got sunglasses.
perfect for a garden party. So you guys, this has what we've got.
I got like peppy, like
And I got
it looks like
pink.
I got some pom-poms on it that's glittery.
Mine looks like
They look like high heels.
Yeah.
And I got a dress and a bottle and some glasses and one magnify glass.
So what I got is like these PJ clothes, a bracelet, shoes, a cool hat. That's what I would say in my opinion. A coffee bottle. Oh no, a fizzy drink bottle. It gives you a hint at the top. And obviously my magnifying glass and my doll. So yeah, so now we are going to open our doll.
Okay. This is the doll that I got. She has little gloves with some stars that I can't see.
This is what my doll looks like. She has got yellow hair with like these brownish yellowish squiggly lines. And yeah.
I got my dress on. Oh, she looks so cute. I hope she squirts water.
Done. No, the bracelet fell off.
Oh, my little shoes.
Is this a bracelet or a necklace?
I'm putting my shoes on without you.
I think it's kind of like a choker because it does not fit on it. Let's try. Oh, it's a train. You guys, we have got our dolls dressed up.
My dream has come true.
All pink. Pretty pink. I think mine looks like a boy. I'm not like big fans of these type of stuff, but like she is cute.
Well, you are gonna get a girl in the
But how do you know?
little LOL.
How do you know?
Just because there's obviously no boys in little LOLs.
You sure? Let's see what their names are. Anaya's doll is from the Storybook Club, and my doll is from the Art Club. I actually like art. It's the best thing ever. These are the dolls that we got. So now we are going to open our little sister. Here's our little sister LOL. So we're going to start opening them. Wow, this is harder than the UNDERWRAPS one. Did it! So weird. That sounds like elastic.
Like elastic band.
There we are. But where's my magnifying glass? That's odd. It should come with a magnifying glass.
Okay, then.
Oh, I can see it. Mine says puppy lover. There we are.
First, before that, we'll check.
Not nothing. That's odd. It didn't come with a.
It just came with It just came with one thing.
What's your clue? My use clue is.
We can't really see it.
And the other one is a badge. And I think a ghost. Badge and a ghost. Now we're gonna open our LOL little sisters.
Okay, I got mine. I got a clear wrapping. Oh, you got a magnifying glass.
Oh, here's the magnifying glass. I got one of those flat bags again.
I'm not throwing this away.
This time for the LOL little sister surprise. I got 4 surprises. This one.
Oh, this one's a big
This
one.
really small one.
I've got bigger.
This one,
Ah!
which is stuck on the magazine thingy part. This one, and another flat one. Will I drop anything? Nope. Oh, this is cute. I got this.
I got glasses again.
I got this little bag with a rainbow and a cloud.
Can I see? That's nice. And I got little glasses.
Let's see what this is. Oh, this is the little keyring thingy that you put onto here. So you can like hang it on your bag or anything like that, so you can carry it around with it. Oh,
I
this is
got
a
it
big one.
too. I just stuck it on mine.
This one.
Wait, I actually have one of these but blue. Handy. You're my little hanger, by the way.
Let's see
Oh, I got a little
rain.
no popcorn.
Rain. Oh, I got these little
creepy
pom-pom
bird.
shoes. And I got pom-pom shoes as well. They're so cute.
How come it doesn't come? Oh, yeah. The glue.
Oh, this is my little sister.
Can I see? Oh.
This is my little sister.
I bet this is my little
So
sister.
cute.
Oh.
Oh, she's got the same hair as your big sister.
Oh yeah, but pink.
This is so
Like
cute. I love it.
I like it too.
Look, it can even just sit in the bag.
We didn't get
Use
nothing.
it as a mini bag and carry her around.
And she can see.
Just above, and we're going to reveal them to you in 3, 2, 1. So these are what our dolls look like. This one's mine. Her name, whoopsies. Seems like she doesn't want to stand up. Her doll's name is Lil Kansas Cutie. That's the Naya's doll.
Okay, so mine colour changes. It's eye colour changes. That one, not that one. Only that one because look, that one's eye is like that one. So that one's sitting on that one. So that means that one is for that one.
Wait a minute, Anaya. You know when it's colour changing? When it's colour changing, what is it? It colour changes in different colours, like its legs or its face or its hair or something like that. So,
Oh, it's diaper.
so Anaya got a little thriller. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Please like, comment, and share.
And turn on that notification bell so you know when I've uploaded my new videos every Wednesday. See you soon. LOL.